I'm gonna tell you about solving word problems of decimals. Do you still remember? There are four operations of decimals. The first is addition, the second is subtraction, the third is multiplication, and the last is division. Today, I'm gonna tell you about solving word problems. I have two examples here. The first example is Jamie stacked 7 similar mathematics textbooks. The height of the stack was 5.95 centimeters. There are two questions here. The first question is, what was the thickness of each textbook? The second question is, what was the height of a stack of 9 such textbooks? To do these problems, there are 4 steps that should you do. The first step is, what have you gathered from the problem? Okay? What have you gathered from the problem? We have gathered Jamie stacked 7 similar mathematics textbooks. The height of the stack was 5.95 centimeters. So, the height of 7 similar mathematics textbooks were 5.95 centimeters. The question is, what was the thickness of each textbook? What was the height of a stack of 9 such textbooks? Step 2. How do you solve it? When you want to solve it, you have to draw the model first. And then, what kind of model should you draw? We are going to the first question. What was the thickness of each textbook? Okay? Because there are 7 similar mathematics textbooks, so there are 7 parts here. Then, the total of the 7 parts are 5.95 centimeters because the height of the stack was 5.95 centimeter. The question mark is this one because the question is, what was the thickness of each textbook? And then, the step 3, what do you need to find? For the first question, what was the thickness of each textbook? There are 4 operations, so you need to choose what kind of operation that should you use. Yes, divisions. So, we need to divide 5.95 centimeters divide 7. So, 5.95 divide 7 equals 0.85. The thickness of each textbook was 0.85 centimeter. Step 4. How can you check your answers? You may check your answer by doing backwards or by working backwards. Okay? Now we are going to question B. What was the height of a stack of 9 such textbooks? Okay, we are going to step 2. How do you solve it? We draw the model first. Okay, there are 9 parts, and then we are looking for what was the height of a stack of 9 such textbooks. 1 part equals 0.85 centimeter. And then we multiply 0.85 times 9 equals 7.65. The height of stack of 9 such textbooks was about 7.65 centimeter. Now we are going to the second examples. The second example is tin A contains 4.08 liters of blue paint. Tin B contains 5.61 liters of white paint. Joel mixed the paint from both tins. He then used 1.25 liters of the paint. How much paint did Joel have left? Don't forget there are 4 steps that should we do here. The first step is, what have you gathered from the problem? We have gathered here, there are two tins here. The first tins, that is tin A, contains 4.08 liters of blue paint. Tin B contains 5.61 liters of white paint. Then Joel mixed the paint from both tins. So Joel mixed tin A and tin B. Then he used 1.25 liters of the paint. So the question is, how much paint did Joel have left? The second step is, how do you solve it? We need to draw the model. Yes, we need to draw the model. And then, what kind of model? What kind of model should you draw? This is the model. Yes, there are two tins. That is tin A and tin B. Tin A contains 4.08 liters. Tin B contains 5.61 liters. So the question is this one. We need to find what's the total of Joel's paint. So is this addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? This is the third steps. What do you need to find? Yes, this is addition. So we need to add 4.08 plus 5.61 liters. Okay, so 4.08 plus 4.08 plus 5.61 equals 9.69. Joel had 9.69 liters of paint. Because the question is, how much paint did Joel have left? Okay, this is the model. The total of Joel's paint is 9.69 liters. He used 1.25 liters of the paint. Okay, so the question is this one. We need to find how much paint did Joel have left. Is this addition, subtraction, or multiplication, or division? Yes, this is subtraction. We have to subtract 9.69 liters minus 1.25 liters. So, 9.69 minus 1.25 equals 8.44. So, Joel had 8.44 liter of paint left. Okay, the last step is, how can you check your answer? Are your answer is correct or not? So, you have to work backwards. Okay? For your practice is, please do practice 2, page 103, number 1, 2, and 5. Please do your workbook practice 2, page 103, number 1, 2, and 5. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.